field plus crossed polars. These are the two lighting conditions we used here. Then we can see some nice picture here inside the fingerprint. This is the fingerprint. Inside the fingerprint, there is a healing pattern. In this healing pattern, rectangular pattern is there. Rectangular shapes. Shapes are rectangular. You can see all the shapes you can see here are rectangular. Because C-axis, you know the C-axis of the stone. Stone C-axis I will show here. This is the C-axis. This direction is the C-axis. This pattern is parallel to the C-axis. These patterns are parallel to the C-axis. So look at this. Inside this, around this, there is a fingerprint. So this fingerprint healing pattern with the rectangular pattern parallel to the C-axis of Sri Lanka sapphire betrays the underlying atomic symbolism. Right? It is a natural inclusion we can see inside the Sri Lankan sapphire. Now, in here, look at the fingerprint. My cursor is moving around the fingerprint. In the middle of the fingerprint, you can see this curing pattern. Rectangular healing pattern is there. These are the rectangular shapes. So we can see the C-axis. Inside the C-axis of this stone is this line. Fingerprint with rectangular healing pattern is there. This curing pattern is pattern at right angles. All are right angles, 90-degree angles. Indicates that the fingerprint is on or near a prism face parallel to the C-axis. That is the decision we can get. When the fingerprints are made at more oblique angles relative to the C-axis, the angle of the cured regions are also more oblique. Fingerprints perpendicular to the C-axis show triangular or hexagonal symmetry. You can remember that. Fingerprints perpendicular to the C-axis. This is the C-axis. Fingerprints perpendicular, that means for this side. Fingerprints perpendicular to the C-axis show triangular or hexagonal symmetry. But here the symmetry is rectangular.